Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share any TikTok video on Twitter. Very easy guys, very simple. First thing, let's launch the TikTok app and let's scroll through the feed and let's try to find a video that we want to share, right? Has to be something that other people don't have, right? Just think about you sharing TikTok video to some of your friends on Twitter because they don't have the TikTok app, right? So let's say we want to share the Jeff Bezos interview here, right? All we gotta do is to click on the arrow, okay, under the comments, and then you want to scroll down this menu on the side all the way to the X platform over here. This is where you can essentially click and share, and this will become a public post on your Twitter account. Very nice guys, very easy, very simple. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video.